Shall we begin? So, how are you, Mr. Krishna?
Sir, I'm good. How are you?
I'm also great, feeling really energetic, enthusiastic to meet you. Do you know one day you said to me, sir, I want to have podcast with you. So, how are you feeling to have podcast with me today?
Sir, I am feeling very nice and it is a great opportunity for me to have podcast with you.
So, how do you see podcast in industry in the future?
Podcast industries will grow a lot in future because it is like when people listen to it, either they are jogging or they are preparing their meals or anything, they can listen. But in videos, you have to give your visual attention to. So you have time to save by doing podcast, by listening podcast.
Okay, I have got a question for you. What is your comment on comparison in the society? The boy that I am talking about, Abhay Singh, he has actually reached there because of his parents' comparison. His parents used to compare and they wanted him to be and to crack IS IPS exam, so they wanted to show to their neighbors that my child has done something. That was the only reason, and there are some other reasons. Same with rift with parents. So how do you see the comparison in the society?
Comparison is little bit unhealthy, but it depends on comparison. So there are healthy comparisons too and unhealthy comparisons too. In our society, we mostly do unhealthy comparisons that Samaji this boy is giving 90 marks in his maths exam and you are only 95 or 92. So it really creates a very bad impact in the person's mind because a healthy comparison is only that in which you are comparing your past to your today.
So how we can eliminate that generation gap between kids and parents? How we can convince our parents that it's okay, everybody cannot be an IS, IPS or doctor, engineer. It is their wish what they want to become. Why are you expecting from them to be such thing the child doesn't want to be?
Sir, I think it is impossible because a person can only change when he wants to change. If he is stuck on his saying that you come with less marks, then there is no chance.
So do you think Bharatiya parents are stubborn, they are obstinate, they don't want to listen?
Sir, most of the, according to my experience, I am not sure that I am saying right, but according to me, most of the parents are stubborn.
We have heard most of kids they don't want to go to quota, they don't want to appear at NEET and J some kind of exams, but parents are forcing them and they are investing a lot of money. So now kids have a kind of pressure. Parents have invested. I have to do it now. How do you see this thing?
Sir,
Did you see last year many kids committed suicide in quota?
yes, sir. It is generally happen here.
So what message do you want to give to the parents those are having such thing? Because you are a child, you can give them message.
The message is simple. So I can wrap this message with a great quote by Albert Einstein. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will spend its whole life believing that it is stupid. In simple terms, everybody is different, everybody has some unique capabilities. But if you only judge them on a particular nuance, then they may be fail. Maybe Virat Kohli cannot beat mathematical equations of Albert Einstein, and Albert Einstein cannot beat Virat Kohli in cricket.
So what is the solution that we can convince both? We can find a middle path, a neutral path. Because when child doesn't listen, parents are disappointed with child. They don't invest even 10 rupees in their education.
Sir, I think the solution for this is only to talk. When parents express their views and children express their views, and it is also important not to talk, also try to understand what the person is want and be in their shoes.
You have said talking. Do you really think talking with parent is really easy term? That we just call them, please come here for a few minutes, let's discuss, let's solve the problem.
Sir, it is not easy, but it is the way.
I personally think we can stop the war between Bharat and Pakistan by through conversation, but we cannot convince our parents through conversation.
Sir, but I don't think there is another solution for that.
But it is not actually happening on the ground reality. It's not working. Everybody is giving the same solution, but it doesn't work even 1%. Doesn't work at all. Is there any spiritual term that we can use?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay. So well and clap for Mr. Krishna.